Just a little longer?
Yoop, what are you doing?
I'm trying to reach the last bits of jelly, but my arm is too short.
Looks like your arm isn't long enough. We need to make it longer. Yoop's arm is too short to reach the jelly. Move the slider to make it.
You made my arm longer! Yummy!
Let's practice finding things that are short or long. Which vegetable is shorter? The corn is longer than the broccoli. Tap the broccoli. The broccoli is shorter than the corn.
Which ribbon is longer? Good going! The green ribbon is longer than the blue ribbon.
Which thing is shorter than the red spoon? The fork is shorter than the red spoon.
Which thing is longer? The feather is longer.
Which thing is shorter? The sunglasses are shorter than the necklace.
Which vegetable is longer than the carrot? The green asparagus is longer than the carrot.
Long.
Short!
Which thing is longer than the mask? The wand is longer than the mask.
Tap all the things that are longer than the eraser. These things are all longer than the eraser.
Which thing is shorter than the fabric? The scissors are shorter than the fabric.
Tap all of the vegetables that are longer than the pepper. These vegetables are all longer than the pepper.
Beans, 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 beans. Time for the quiz round.
Hold that thought, Flory. It's time for a scoring round!
Remember to work carefully.
Show what you know about things that are long and short. Which thing is longer? Which thing is shorter? Which thing is shorter than the battery? Which thing is longer? Which thing is shorter? Which thing is longer than the mustache?
Yoop, what are you doing?
I'm trying to make my tree grow tall so I can climb it. Right now, it's too short.
But you can fly. Why do you want a climbing tree? Yoop's tree is too short to climb. Slide the leaf to make it tall. Wow! Look how tall Yoop's tree is now!
Let's practice finding things that are tall or short. Which ribbon is taller? Woohoo! This ribbon is taller.
Which vegetable is shorter? Good thinking. The pepper is shorter than the cucumber.
Which thing is taller than the potato? The popsicle stick is taller than the potato.
Tall.
Short. Tall. Which thing is shorter than the red spoon? The ribbon is shorter than the red spoon.
Tap all of the things that are shorter than the fork. These things are all shorter than the fork.
Which thing is taller than the wand? The paintbrush is taller than the wand.
Tap all of the things that are taller than the potato. These things are all taller than the potato.
Beans, 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 beans.
Time for the quiz round.
Hold that thought, Flory. It's time for a scoring round!
Remember to work carefully.
Show what you know about things that are tall and short. Which thing is shorter? Which thing is taller? Which thing is taller than the screw? Which thing is shorter? Which thing is taller? Which thing is taller than the scissors?
Hi again. Are you ready to practice some more math skills?
We'll unlock different doors on our quest to the quiz.
Let's go! There are a lot of numbers that add together to make 10. Now let's practice finding numbers that add to 10. Ooh, look!
Use this to unlock the door.
Help us sort some tiles. What is 4 plus 1? What is 2 plus 4? What is 3 plus 4? What is 3 plus 3? What is 3 plus 2? What is 5 plus 2? Awesome! All the tiles are sorted.
What is 4 plus 4? What is 5 plus 5? What is 4 plus 5? What is 6 plus 4? What is 5 plus 3? What is 7 plus 3? Excellent! All the tiles are sorted.
Which shows a way to make 10? Awesome! 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Which shows a way to make 10? Well done! 8 plus 2 equals 10.
Choose all the cards that show a way to make 10. Double wow! 1 plus 9, 4 plus 6, and 8 plus 2 are all different ways to make 10. Time to play Build That Number! Find number partners for 10. Tap pairs of cards that make 10 altogether. Each pair makes 10.
Find more number partners for 10. Each pair makes 10.
Five plus what number equals 10? Find the missing number. Woohoo! 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Four plus what number equals 10? Indeed. 4 plus 6 equals 10.
Two plus what number equals 10? Awesome! 2 plus 8 equals 10.
Seven plus what number equals 10? I knew you could do it. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Your quest is almost complete.
Use the star to unlock the quiz.
Show what you know about adding to 10. Try your best. Which shows a way to make 10? Which shows a way to make 10? Which shows a way to make 10? Choose all the cards that show a way to make 10. Six plus what number equals 10? Find the missing number. Three plus what number equals 10? You can break apart numbers by place value to multiply them. First, multiply the parts. Then, add the partial products.
Which three cards have equal values? How do you break apart the factor 627 using place value? 627 is equal to 600 plus 20 plus 7. What's this partial product? What's this partial product? What's this partial product? What is 3 times 627? You got it! The total product is 1,881, which is the area of the whole rectangle. What's this partial product? What's this partial product? What's this partial product? What's this partial product? What's the sum of the partial products? What is 5 times 8,172? Nice! The total product is 40,860, which is the area of the whole rectangle. Find all the expressions that can be used to solve 7 times 53. These expressions can be used. Find all the expressions that can be used to solve 2 times 385. These expressions can be used. Find all the expressions that can be used to solve 4 times 6,041. These expressions can be used.
What is this partial product? What is this partial product? What is 8 times 47? What is this partial product? What is this partial product? What is this partial product? What is 6 times 457? What is this partial product? 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 What is the sum of the partial products? Are you sure you want to exit the lesson? Are you sure you want to exit the lesson?
You can use place value to help compare numbers. Start with the greatest place. Compare the digits. If they're the same, look at the next greatest place, and then compare those digits. Let's look at some more numbers. Now let's use place value to compare larger numbers. Complete the statement. Choose the symbol that makes the statement true. Since the 100,000s and 10,000s are equal, compare the digits in the thousands place. 6,000 is less than 7,000, so 326,968 is less than 327,651. Complete the statement. Choose all the numbers that are less than 6,093. Select less than or greater than to complete the comparison for each pair of numbers. Choose all the numbers that are greater than 15,389. Select less than or greater than to complete the comparison for each pair of numbers.
Complete the statement. Choose the symbol that makes the statement true. Complete the statement. Complete the statement. Complete the statement. Which number is greater than 52,136? Which number is less than 174,021? You can use a protractor to find the measure of an angle. This angle is 62 degrees.
Find the measure of this angle in the square. Move the center point of the protractor to the vertex. Rotate the protractor to line up one ray with the 0-degree mark. Each angle in a square measures 90 degrees. Choose all the angles with a measure of 90 degrees. Choose all the angles with a measure less than 90 degrees. Choose all the angles with a measure greater than 90 degrees. Look at the angle. Which description is true? Look at the angle. Which description is true? Let's use a protractor to find its exact measure. Find the measure of the angle. Move the center point of the protractor to the vertex. Rotate the protractor to line up one ray with the 0-degree mark. You can tap here to get a closer look. Look at the angle. Which description is true? Let's find its exact measure. Find the measure of the angle. Find the measure of this angle in the triangle. Find the measure of this angle in the triangle. Find the measure of this angle in the pentagon. Find the measure of this angle in the rhombus. Find the measure of this angle in the rhombus.
Look at the angle. Which description is true? Find the measure of the angle. Look at the angle. Which description is true? Find the measure of the angle. Find the measure of the angle. Find the measure of this angle in the triangle.
Wow. Sorry, boss. This place is a mess. Wow. Sorry, boss. This place is a mess.
Yeah, man. Maybe we should clean up a bit.
Let's start with these jars of sprinkles. I could put them on some empty shelves.
That's a lot of sprinkles, Sweet Tea. I don't think they'll fit on one shelf.
You're right, but we have these 3 shelves we can use. Put the same number of jars on each of the 3 shelves. Sweet! Each shelf has the same number of jars. This arrangement is called an array. An array is an arrangement of things in rows with the same number of things in each row.
We see rows in lots of different places. How many rows are in this array? Bake on! Each shelf is a row, and there are 3 shelves.
How many jars are on each shelf? Yep. Each shelf has the same number of jars. There are 4 jars on each shelf. Now we can add up the number of jars on each shelf to see how many jars we have in all. Write an equation to find the total number of jars. Look, I've started the equation for you. 4 plus... Yep. Each shelf has 4 jars. There are 3 shelves. So adding 4 plus 4 plus 4 will find the total number of jars.
How many jars do we have in all? Rock on! There are 4 plus 4, which equals 8, plus 4 more. That's 12 jars in all. All right, Sweet Tea. The sprinkles have been sorted. What's up next?
This mountain of cake boxes is out of control, boss. Let's get to stacking. Drag the boxes to the stacks so there is an equal number in each stack. Yep. Each stack has 5 boxes. We just made another array. There are 3 boxes in each row, but I also see an equal number of boxes in each stack. Each stack of boxes in this array is called a column.
I can think of lots of places I've seen columns. How many columns are in this array?
Yep. Which equation shows how we could find the total number of boxes? Sweet! Each stack has 5 boxes, so 5 plus 5 plus 5 will give us the total.
How many boxes did we stack in all? Bake on! There are 5 boxes in each stack. We could skip count by 5s to find the total. 5, 10, 15.
Okay, I know we are supposed to be cleaning, but I can't help but see arrays everywhere. Check out these quail eggs.
Those are some quirky quail eggs, sweetie. I see an array with 5 columns. 4 eggs in each column.
No way, dude. It's an array with 4 rows, 5 eggs in each row. Click on Jake to find out how he finds the total number of eggs in the carton.
I see 5 columns of eggs. How many eggs are there in each column? Rock on! There are 4 eggs in each column. Now I can add up the number of eggs in each column to find out how many eggs there are in all. How many eggs are there in all? That's it.
I think I see how you got the total, Jake, but I see it a different way.
Click on Sweet Tea to find out how he finds the total number of eggs in the carton.
I'm all about the rows, boss. Here, I see 4 rows of eggs. How many eggs are there in each row? Yep. There are 5 eggs in each row. Now, I can add up the number of eggs in each row to find out how many eggs there are in all. How many eggs are there in all? Yep. Each row has 5 eggs. We can skip count to find the total. 5, 10, 15, 20.
So, it doesn't matter how you look at the array. 5 columns of 4 eggs gives us 20 eggs in all. And so does 4 rows of 5 eggs.
That's extraordinary. Hey, boss. I got a little excited about organizing these boxes. A little help? Boss?
Which sum describes the total number of stars in this array? Which sum describes the total number of apples in this array? Dion collects stamps. He arranges his stamps in an array like this. Write an equation that describes this array. Write an equation that describes this array. Which of these pictures shows an array that has 5 rows with 3 ice cream cones in each row? These soccer balls make one row of an array. How many soccer balls would there be in all if there were 2 rows in the array? Anna lines up chairs in 2 rows. She puts 4 chairs in each row. How many chairs did Anna use? The windows on a building make an array that has 4 rows. Each row has 3 windows. How many windows are there?